Explore the top 3 AI text-to-video generators in this video. All relevant links are provided in the description below. First up is Lensgo.ai. This tool offers a daily allowance of 50 credits during its free trial. Check out this sample video I created using Lensgo.ai. Next, we have Runway ML. This tool generously provides 125 credits in its free trial. Here's a video I generated as a test. Here are its paid plans. For those interested, I've also made a complete video tutorial on how to use this tool. Last but not least, we have Caber.ai. This tool gives you 100 credits in its free trial. Here's a sample video I created. My favorite tool is Runway ML. Watch the complete video about Runway ML.